face. You are not a day. In the spot, I blow 50 bins, shit 100 bins. Shit my pockets on the running man. Fuck a rubber band. I'm a fucker in a handstand. She a fat man. Need the drugs, I'm the Zen man. I'm the dead man. I roll up, I'm gonna be booty stupid and shooting stupid.
Recreational marijuana becomes legal in California on July 1st. What dispensaries there say they're expecting come Monday morning.
Plus, an Arizona man is behind bars for impersonating a cop. However, police finally caught up to him, and the charges he's now facing.
A couple was in the middle of their wedding ceremony when they lost a groomsman.
Yeah, and it's on video. Take a look. Oh no.
Wow.
I expected it to be funny. It was actually really scary. The groomsman is actually, he's the one who posted this video on Reddit. He says the past 20-minute ceremony turned into a 40-minute ceremony.
All I know is murder. I'ma stop.
You better get that shit off of there.
I had to have this. Holidays, I'm ready for something a little less fancy, like RC Willie's no sales tax event. Plus, zero down and zero interest for 18 months. Save store bought on furniture, mattresses, appliances, 20% more. If you've waited to buy, now is the time.
We need to get the game because my outfit is a long game. It's gonna be hard.
Why you put that shit on there?
What?
On that damn thing.
I wasn't.
Who are you? Who else is doing?
Wait.
What kind of shit is that?
When you see Monopoly,
Do I do what?
you see Monopoly?
In the game?
Yeah.
It's right there.
Oh. Somebody said it's in this room. Now, what was
It's
that?
right there.
You said what happened? It was,
What?
what you talking about?
That thing. The speaker thing.
What speaker? Oh, her, yeah, no, remember my new speaker? It's broken?
No, somebody had their phone connected to it. No, that.
It was what? What the hell? What?
I said, you better get off the damn thing. I thought it was too. He last one had went out and do that was him.
No, it was him. He had to be, because he don't know what I have the speaker.
That was you too.
Was it you? Because we didn't have the speaker. I don't got my phone. Phone down there charging. Yeah, right. I think on Snapchat. My phone dead.
Yours head.
And you saw
Somebody's phone right there on the table. Who's that?
That's my phone. You start charging your phone. This phone died because the prank was trying to do with Anthony. You think it's safe because you know how your phone has shut off?
Why you gonna plug it up? Charge it.
Yeah. I didn't hear nothing. Are you sure it's coming from the speaker?
That was y'all was outside. Nobody did here but me.
Right. I thought I would have heard it. You need your mom speakers out. Emma, guess what? It was a prank. We got you this time.
Damn, y'all ain't get me.
Yo, yes we did. Yes we did. Yes we did. Bro, yes we did. Nah, yes we got it, bro. She's like, who that was? You thought it was Tudor. You thought it was Tudor. Okay then, we got you. Right, we got it good. She, right, easy game. We got her. Easy game, you already know. We got her prank, you know. And she said we was gonna get her either. Right, we got her.
I knew that wasn't real.
We got her. You got her, you know. Yes, we did. Yes, we got her. This is it, we got you.
No. Now, after all that shit when you came in, all
got
y'all
it.
lied.
Oh, you had us laughing?
I said, who phone plugged up to the damn speaker?
We got her. Easy game, you already know. Give us challenges, pranks, and all. Back to it again. Get this to a million views. I'm just playing with y'all. You already know. But get this to more the views that we got on Lil D challenge. Like, get this like 2,000 views. Yeah. And like, you said what? 200 comments. Like, yeah. All right. Squad, we out. Should I say it again? What's it go? It's TZ. It's Weezy. And we're out. We're out.